Assalamualaikum, my name is Faradillah binti Muhammad Bazli. Today, I want to present my final year project about outline, extraction and identification of corner points for a two-dimensional image. I will present introduction, methodology, result and discussion, and lastly conclusion and recommendation. First, we start with introduction. In introduction, the study includes study background, problem statement, objective of the study, scope of the study, and significance of the study. Background of the study. An image is a representation of something or a photograph or an idea you are picturing in your head or the way you think of you. For a photographer, the quality of an image is very important, so that the image needs to be improved to get the best quality of the image. To improve the quality of the image, techniques such as noise reduction in the image and outlines extraction are implemented to obtain an accurate image. Noise reduction. A common problem in photography is the appearance of distracting digital noise in your photos, which is usually caused by low light or a high ISO setting on your camera. Noise reduction is the process of removing noise from an image. Noise reduction techniques exist for audio and image. We reduce the noise to make sure to get the best result in the image. There are many ways to reduce noise, such as we can reduce noise by using Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom. Next is outline extraction. Outline extraction is the first process in pre-processing in order to present the features of the image. It is not necessary to extract the outline of the image because corner points can be detected in an image without outline extraction by using animators in the corner detector. Outline extraction also can reduce the memory of capacity. Corner points. The corner points are the vertices of the visible region. Each corner point is the intersection of two lines, but not every intersection of two lines is a corner point. Corner in image represented important information in describing object features which act as an important and valuable role in image processing. Problem statement. The general corner detector cannot locate corner points well around the edge, which result in errors in the reporting of corners. Other than that, the problem in detecting simple lines at the corner is can only use one dimension. In addition, the most difficult part in the corner points detection is that it cannot detect fine and coarse features of an image at the same time by using single-scale corner point detection. It is difficult to find the accurate result in detect corner point. Corner point detection methods detect noise as the wrong mistaken corner. Objective of this study. The main objective of this study is to compare the methods in corner points detection. The sub-objectives are to extract the outline of a two-dimensional image of a leaf and to detect the corner point of a two-dimensional image of a leaf using Suzanne detector and Shi-Tomasi corner detection. Scope of the study. The scope of the study are the outline extraction and corner point detection for two-dimensional image of a leaf. Significance of the study. The purpose of the study is to conclude the objective of this research by knowing that it was a time when completing this research. Other than that, by conducting this research, it will help the researcher to be exposed to the real situation of doing the research like other authorized researchers. Moreover, researcher gains useful experience. This study will be an applicable information for the researcher as an additional literature for their study. Next is methodology. In methodology, there are several processes in order to achieve the objective of this study. Firstly, select the image. The image was chosen from Google Image title leaf of silver lime tree. Secondly, smoothing the image. In order to improve the quality of the image, this study need to smooth the image to reduce the noise in image. This study used Adobe Photoshop to smooth the image since it is the easiest way to smooth the image. Then extract the outline. To achieve first objective of this study, the outline of the image should be removed to make sure corner points are easy to detect. Then corner point detection. This study used two methods in corner point detection. Susan detector and Shitomasi was used to detect corner point in image to obtain the best method in order to detect the corner points in 2D image. This study used Python to get the result from using Susan detector and Shitomasi detection. Result and discussion. This study chooses this image to detect corner points. After select the image, this study was smooth the image. Noise was reduced from the image. This is the result from smoothing the image. After smooth the image, this study extract the outline from the image to make sure corner points can be detected easily. Here's the result from extract the outline. Lastly, this study compared these two methods in terms of how many corner points were detected in image and runtime to get the result of corner points. The result showed that Susan detector was detect 397 corner points in the image with runtime 239.418 seconds. Shitomasi was detect 97 corner point with 273.547 seconds. Lastly, conclusion and recommendation. First, we start with conclusion. We can conclude that comparison between two methods in detect corner point was done in this study. The result from the comparison show that Susan detector is the best method compared to Shitomasi in detect corner point, since the corner point and runtime for Susan detector better from Shitomasi detection. Recommendation. Mostly researchers know that there is no perfectly significant result in detecting corner points. The study suggests to use Susan detector rather than Shitomasi to get more accurate in detect corner point. That's all from me. Thank you.